Don't download ShareScope app before watching this. If you're thinking about downloading the ShareScope app, stop for a second. Most people assume it's just a simple investing app, but the surprising truth is that ShareScope is a highly advanced investment research and charting platform. It's designed for serious investors who want detailed analysis, not casual stock trading. ShareScope provides real-time share prices, detailed charts and technical analysis tools. You can track hundreds of companies, compare funds, and generate alerts for specific market events. But here's where most users get it wrong. It isn't ideal for beginners looking for straightforward buy and sell functionality. The learning curve can be steep, and some features require understanding complex metrics like moving averages, RSI, and Bollinger Bands. Another point to consider is cost. ShareScope has subscription plans depending on the level of data and features you want. While it's powerful, the full-featured version isn't free, and casual investors may find it overkill for their needs. However, for active traders and those who rely on in-depth analysis to make investment decisions, it's one of the best tools on the market. The app is customizable, letting you create watchlists, alerts, and personal portfolios. It's excellent for spotting trends, tracking dividend yields, and managing a diversified portfolio efficiently. In conclusion, don't download ShareScope expecting a beginner-friendly investing app. It's built for active investors, traders, and analysts who want comprehensive market data at their fingertips. If you're serious about investing and willing to invest the time to learn the platform, ShareScope can give you a huge advantage. But for casual investors, it might be more than you need. Understanding the app's purpose will ensure you use it effectively and make smarter investment decisions.